Welcome to the Plant Farm Eat YouTube channel. Plant where you have not grown cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, turnips, rutabaga, or Brussels sprouts for the last 4 years. If you plant in the spring for summer harvest, you should start cabbage indoors. For a fall crop, plant seed directly in the garden in early July. Cabbage will tolerate below freezing temperatures late in plant growth. Cabbage is a member of the mustard family, and like the most related crops, grows best in cool weather. The crop has round, flattened or pointed heads made of leaves that wrap around each other tightly. In the center of the head, it's a short, thick stem or core. Cabbage has many uses in the kitchen. Raw, it brings crunch and zest to the salads and slaw. You can braise, stir-fry, stuff, add to soups, mix into the filling for egg rolls, and ferment cabbage to make sauerkraut and kimchi. Have your soil tested. Apply phosphorus and potassium according to the soil test recommendations. Unless your soil test report specifically recommends additional phosphorus, use a low or no phosphorus fertilizer. Grow cabbage in well-drained yet moisture-retentive, fertile soil with pH of 6 to 7. Improve your soil by adding well-rotted manure or compost in spring or fall. Do not use fresh manures as it might contain harmful bacteria and might increase weed problems. The plant needs to absorb water and nutrients steadily during its growth. Do not use any fertilizer containing a weed killer as it might kill your vegetable plants. When the plants are about 4 inches tall, apply fertilizer alongside the row of plants. Spread the fertilizer in a 6-inch wide band and scratch it into the surface of the soil. If you use manure or compost, you might not need additional fertilizer applications, depending on how much organic matter you apply. Start seeds indoors in early April or 4 to 6 weeks before transplanting. Leave 24 to 30 inches between hand-cultivated rows and 18 inches between plants. Per 20 feet of row, you should order 1 seed packet or 12 plants. Plant the seedling at a depth of 1/4 of an inch. Apply fertilizer to developing seedlings beginning when the first true leaf appears. Use a half-strength starter solution once a week. After 2 true leaves are present, apply fertilizer twice a week. When the plants have 5 true leaves, after about 3 weeks, reduce watering. Place plants outside where they will receive a couple of hours of sunlight and have wind protection. Slowly expose them to more sunlight over the next week or 2, bringing them indoors if night temperatures drop below 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Dig small holes with a trowel or dig a furrow with a shovel. Place the seedlings 15 to 18 inches apart and fill the soil around them so that the plant is at the same level it was in its pot. Water the plants in or use a transparent starter solution high in phosphorus and low in nitrogen and potassium. Cabbage needs good soil moisture. The best quality heads are firm, crisp, juicy, sweet, and sometimes peppery without bitterness. If the plants do not receive consistent rainfall or irrigation, they will have poor texture and excessive bitterness. outer leaves might brown and dry up, or the plant might fall to form a head. 1 inch of rainfall per week is enough water. If your soil is sandy, it is better to water more often than once a week. An inch of water will wet a sandy soil to a depth of 10 inches, a heavy clay soil to 6 inches. Use a trowel to see how far down the soil is wet. If it is only an inch or two, keep the water running. Frequent shallow cultivation will kill weeds before they become a problem. Cultivate just deeply enough to cut the weeds off below the surface of the soil. Be careful not to damage the plants when cultivating. Mulching with herbicide-free grass clippings, weed-free straw, or other organic material to a depth of 3 to 4 inches can help prevent weed growth, decreasing the need for frequent cultivation. Harvest cabbage when the heads reach a usable size. To harvest, cut the head off above the outer leaves. Once the heads reach their mature size, there is a risk that they will split before harvest. Some varieties are good for field holding and are less likely to split. Heavy rain can cause split heads. You can minimize splitting of cabbages that you are not ready to pick by twisting the head a quarter turn or shearing one side of the roots with a spade. This action reduces water flow into the head. Cabbage will tolerate below freezing temperatures late in plant development. If overnight temperatures lows are below 25 degrees Fahrenheit, you can protect the heads with a row cover. Cabbages can last for months, but only in cold, moist conditions, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 40 degrees Fahrenheit, and 95% humidity. This is colder and much moister than a refrigerator, and difficult to achieve for most home gardeners. If you want to store cabbage, you will need a root cellar. A time-honored way of preserving the cabbage harvest is fermentation. The European version is sauerkraut. The traditional Asian fermented cabbage is kimchi. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell button to be notified on the similar upcoming videos. Plant Farm It is a platform for horticulture and environmental enthusiasts, helping you maximize your time and efforts and provide you with pragmatic guides on how to plant, farm, and eat sustainably.